Hi, I'm Naman Jha from Hyderabad, studying at UBS, and I'm from PGDM International Batch. My specialization is in marketing. For me, UBS stands for Unity, Belief, and Strength. Why I say unity is because there are students which come across from all over India, and belief is because they're built up so much that we become tomorrow's leaders in this world. The strength comes from within, and if not, we have a special program which is known as mentor-mentee program, in which they develop all our skills, right from being presentation to our body language to our communication skills. UBS is just not only a green school but also does many activities like SDC, smart projects, and many others. We have a wellness room where a student can come over here and get a peace of mind, because in this room no gadgets are allowed and the room is soundproof. The second important thing in UBS I feel is the Thomson Reuters room, where we try to learn about the various stock market things, the bonds, the equities, so that every student gets knowledge from A to Z. When I say from right to A to Z, that does not mean that marketing students will not be getting a variety of finance subjects, and similarly, finance subjects will also be getting a taste and flavor of marketing subjects. Similarly goes for operations and HR. The one thing I love about UBS is the environment. It is one of the most beautiful scenic environment I have seen. You are covered with all the mountains behind you, and in front of you have lush green forest type environment, and we live in such a place where you can find the chirping of birds and a lot of animals to be found which are also friendly. Coming to the next part of my UBS, when I entered to the gates of UBS, I came with one sole motive, is to learn and to gain and harness the knowledge from each and every faculty. The Department of Marketing, which involves of Professor Vijay Tandon, Professor Dilip, and Professor Elora, has given us immense of knowledge and trained us in such a way that we become futures of tomorrow, and we also have the knowledge, the right amount of knowledge, which makes us sure that we are true marketeers. The next aspect of UBS I like is about the hostel environment, where each one of us are very friendly. We make sure we are comfortable with each and every companion, because UBS is not just about the freshers. We do have experienced people. I say this because I have 5 years of corporate experience, and I have met with so many wonderful people who have wonderful and creative ideas, which has made me believe that yes, this is a world of knowledge, and this is a place where knowledge can be harnessed. Now, apart from knowledge, we do have people who belong from sports background, because we have an entire dedicated tennis courts, we have a cricket entire ground and a football ground as well. So apart from knowledge, UBS also focuses on sports to make sure that our brains and our body work together and as one. We have amphitheater where we can sit and watch matches and have little fun activities with our friends, because life with studies is as good as nothing. Life also requires a little fun, and yes, I agree that we come over here for knowledge, but with little fun and little excitement, we will be able to move to the pinnacle and to a point where a true leaders are born. Now coming back to the Sodexo, the food part. Now let us say if there is a food wastage, that food wastage goes to the nearby villages, where we make sure that no food is being wasted in UBS, because a healthy mind is a sound mind, and we make sure that our entire environment with respect to the college and the nearby areas is healthy. The program which I have chosen allows me to travel to 1 year to France, where I'll be studying in INSEAD University. Now before traveling to France, the UBS is currently providing me with the essence of all the 4 specializations, which is finance, marketing, operations, and HR. When I'll be traveling to France, which is INSEAD University, that is Paris, I'll be specializing my domain in brand management. In brand management, we'll be learning about the brand, of how do they work as a brand, why do they work with so specific logos, and how do they perform so well, so that tomorrow when we enter into that segment, how can we glorify any organization. With this, I would like to thank all my professors, all my peers, and everyone, the non-teaching staff as well, for providing me the immense strength, belief, so that I can conquer the world and become a leader of tomorrow. And I would welcome you all to UBS with open arms.